Morning. Here's Nancy, Bobby, Louie. Bobby's quite excited. We're doing a little bit of socialisation. Bobby has been out with each one of these dogs. Billy is in the back somewhere on the lead for a structured walk, so he knows them. He is, however, extremely excitable when he's out, and I have to care for other dogs in that I don't allow him to jump on them in his excitement. And they trust me. You just got to have a good eye out for them. Billy, come! Stop hiding. Billy's in the bushes. So we just let them be around each other as often as possible in this situation. So we get used to each other, and eventually Bobby will calm down and be a good boy and not jump over them. Billy, don't you sneak in. Billy, come here. Good. Billy, he is the most cautious of all because he's sore. He's older and he just doesn't like young dogs jumping about him. Yeah, good boy. Nancy found. So they kind of come out and have a little forage about. Who's been here visiting foxes and other wildlife in the night. Eventually Bobby here will be Billy able to come out off lead and roam about with them all. So already he's distracted by something else. Don't you be eating stuff? Which is quite nice. Hi. Okay, that's my gas man calling me, so I'm just going to sign off this now. Okay.